It's a big day at Wake Tech. We love it when we're able to figure out ways to help deal with our students' problems that may block their path to their goals, aspirations, and dreams. So today's a big day in furthering that goal. One of the things we do at Wake Tech that I'm so proud of is our folks, we rally around our students. We try to make sure that our students don't have to worry about things that get in the way of being college students. We've had food pantries at Wake Tech since 2014. Today, with the great support of these partners from Food Line, people working across all 5 of our food pantries, they're taking those food pantries to a next level, making sure that they are stocked. We have new shelving, keeping the food there for our Wake Tech Eagles in our nests. So now our nests are nourished by Food Line.
Absolutely, that's money though.
And today, even what I love is seeing this right over the way here, the fresh produce prop-up. So even taking food opportunities through the nest to a whole new level. So it's a big day at Wake Tech.